Namaste everyone. Welcome to Millionaire GRE. I am Punit, the founder of Millionaire GRE. We prepare students for the GRE exam. I've taken GRE multiple times. In my last attempt, I scored a 336. Today I am going to book another GRE exam, test center exam. And if you are also planning to book your GRE, you can follow the steps that I will go through and book your GRE test effortlessly as well. Let's get started. First, you have to go to this website ets.org. ets.org. ETS is the company which conducts the GRE exam. And then you would click on login. If you have not registered, you would be asked to register, and then through the email ID and password you can log in. I've already registered and I don't have to enter my email ID and password or username and password because it is already saved to my Google account. In this page, you can click on sign in and the ETS dashboard will open up. You have to click on this registered/find test center dates. If you click on this, you will be directed to this page. Please select a test. Now we have to select GRE General Test, not these three subject tests. Then you can enter your location. I will enter Delhi. And then I want to take the GRE in December. So these are the 2 months, December 2024, January 2025. Then I'll click on continue. Now in this page, I am given the dates on which the slots are available. The green ones means the slots are available on these dates. The grey one means the slots are not available on these dates. I will click on 23rd December. Now when I click on 23rd December, I get these options. So these are various places which are close to where I live, where I want to take the test. Now you can choose any of these options based on the distance from your home to the test center, and then see the test timings. Okay. Now let's say I select this Council for American Education. I click on show test times. I get two timings. These are the two slots I can book my GRE at or on. I will click on 10 a.m. Okay, I've clicked on register. We will get another screen. Yep, we do. Here these are some documents or things you can check out. I will just click on I understand and agree to the testing policies. If you want, you can read the terms and conditions. You can read the privacy statement. You can read testing policy. It's up to you. Then we will click on next. And this page loads up. Here all my information is given and the test details are given, that I'm booking the GRE General Test. Date and time is given. The test center is provided. If I want to edit my information, I can do that. If I want to edit personal information, I can do that as well. I will go down and click on next. Everything seems fine, all my personal details. Now after clicking next, I get this GRE search service. If you want to opt for this, it's up to you. But I don't want to opt for this. I only want to book the test. So I would click on no. I would prefer not to register for this service at this time. And then I will click on next. After this, I am asked background information. So the points which are with the star marked are compulsory points. You have to give the answer for these points. Others you don't really need to give the answers to. Country of origin, mine is India. Education status at the time you take the GRE test. I graduated from my bachelor's degree a few years back, so I will click on unenrolled college graduate. If you are in your second year of college, you will click sophomore. If you are in your third year, you will click junior. If you are in your fourth or final year, you will click senior. If you are pursuing your masters and you are in the first year, you will select first year graduate student. If you are in your second year of your master's degree, you will select second year graduate student. If you have completed your bachelor's degree and you are not currently enrolled in any course, you will select unenrolled college graduate. If you have completed your master's degree and you are not currently enrolled in any program, you will click unenrolled master's degree. Or if you don't understand anything, you will click other. I will click on unenrolled college graduate. Then I'm asked, do you communicate better or as well in English than in any other language? Yes, I do have a native language, so I will click yes. Then we are asked, what is your native language? You don't have to answer this because there is no asterisk before the question. So I'll skip it. I'll skip all of these questions. And finally, a question comes, find your intended major field of graduate study. Here also there is an option called undecided. So I will click on undecided. But if you want to be more specific, it's up to you. You can do that. Okay. I will not answer any of the non-compulsory questions and I will click on next. I don't think it matters whether you answer these questions or not. Then this page loads up. This is ERE trying to sell their stuff. We are not interested. So I'm not going to click on any of these. I'll just go to the bottom of this page and click on continue to checkout. And then the price is this 19,110, but this does not include the goods and services tax. And if you add that up, the price will become 22,500 something. I will proceed to checkout. Everything seems fine. Test date, time, test center. Let me verify it. Yep, everything seems fine. I will proceed to checkout. Then do I have a promotional code or a voucher? Okay, I have a code. I will enter the code. I have a code GRE SARE TEST 25. Now this is a code which currently works. This code may not work when the video comes out. So you have to keep looking for codes. Okay, I've got a discount of about 6,000 rupees. So you have to keep searching on the internet for codes. You can go to Reddit and search for the codes, or the better way would be to comment for some code. I will try to look up for codes and reply to you in the comments if I get any codes. And other people might also help. So if you need a code, just write to me in the comment section that do you have any codes. Okay, I'll then click on pay now and complete my booking. Okay, there are multiple options to pay. I will pay via UPI. You can choose your preferred mode of payment. Okay, then I have booked my test and I can see my order confirmation here. If I click on it, let me click on it, and this is the confirmation. This much I have paid. Now this is the least I have ever paid for my GRE. I've taken GRE multiple times, but this is the maximum discount I've got, so I'm very happy about it. And yeah, you will also get a mail on your email ID. You do not have to take a printout of this because this is not needed. You only have to carry your passport to your exam. And apart from passport, it is advised that you carry another identification proof. For instance, if you are an Indian, you can carry your Aadhaar card or your driver license or any other additional ID proof. You're only required to take your passport, and other things such as sheets and pencils to scribble while taking the test will be provided at the test center itself. With this, we have come to the conclusion of this video. If you have any queries regarding anything, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.